In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off SurveyMonkey. Whether you're wrapping up a survey project or simply taking a break from collecting responses, it's important to know how to properly close your survey. This ensures that you won't receive any additional data that could affect your results after you have concluded your assessment. First things first, to get started, you need to log into your SurveyMonkey account. Head over to the SurveyMonkey website and click on the Login button. Here you have a few options to sign in, but for simplicity, let's use Google. Click on Google and choose the account you want to use for SurveyMonkey. This will take you directly into your SurveyMonkey dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the home page. Here you'll see a section titled Projects. This is where all your current and past surveys live. Take a moment to locate the survey you wish to turn off. Now to the action part. Find the survey you want to close and look for the three dots, often referred to as the More button, right next to your survey's name. Clicking on these three dots will open up a menu with several options. From this menu, select Edit Survey. This might seem a bit counterintuitive since we're looking to turn a survey off. Not edit it, but bear with me. Once you're in the edit mode, navigate to the top of the page where you'll find several tabs. Locate the Collect Responses tab and give it a click. This section is crucial because it's where you manage how your survey is distributed. And importantly, how to stop collecting further responses. Within the Collect Responses area, you'll find several options related to your survey collectors. The next step is to click on Open, which refers to the current status of your survey collector. The survey is actively collecting responses as long as the collector remains open. After clicking Open, look for the option labelled Close Collector. By selecting this, you're instructing SurveyMonkey to stop all incoming responses from that moment forward. This action doesn't delete any data, but simply stops the collection process, allowing you to analyse your results without the concern of new data skewing your findings. And there you have it. Closing a survey collector in SurveyMonkey is a straightforward process, but an essential one. Remember, it's good practice to close your survey once you've gathered enough responses or when the survey period has ended. This keeps your data clean and your project timeline on track. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. If you found these instructions helpful, make sure to leave a comment, like this video, and subscribe for more helpful guides. Happy surveying!